Continuing with the same chapter, communication skills, let us understand what needs to be done for effective communication and what are its impacts on in our lives. Effective communication needs a good language. Both sender and receiver needs to have on the same platform. There should be a common language which has to be used in order to understand. The message should be clear and a right message has to be conveyed. In the communication cycle, that is effective communication, we need to have a passive listeners and a good response from the receiver is required. Now, what are its impact in our daily lives? The good communication encourages the active participation. If you are working and you have given some responsibility to handle a project, if you have a good communication skill, you will always take a lead and you will motivate your group, your team to complete a given task. A good communication always helps in building relationship, whether at home or at workplace. When you have a good communication skill, it will build your confidence level. It also helps in clearing doubts and misunderstandings among each other. A good communicator always takes a lead in clearing the doubts and misunderstandings. If you have a good communication skill, you'll save your time. It will also reduce the stress and the anxiety level. A good communicator always motivates his team, group of people. It cultivates a sense of common goal to complete a task. It also fosters success in professional and in our personal life. Now, what are the effective communication barriers? What are the barriers basically that is there in not having a good communication? So they are of three types: environmental barriers, situational barriers, individual barriers. Environmental barriers are there. Suppose there is a class going on and the class is situated near a highway. All the time there is a traffic movement and a lot of noise is there, and because of that noise there is a lot of distractions. So hence the communication will not take place. So this is one of the barrier in effective communication. Situational barriers are there. Suppose somebody is giving speech to a group of audience and the mic system is not working properly. The electricity comes and go frequently. So that can be again a situational barrier for an effective communication. Then there is an individual barriers. Yes, there is individual limitations of people. Some people are not attentive enough to understand, to listen to the speaker. Some has linguistic barrier. yes, is not able to understand the language of the speaker, some attention is not there, and there might be some emotional problem with the audience, with the listener, with the receiver, and that can also lead to non-effective communication. So these are the barriers basically for non-effective communication. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you.